Hey everyone, today we're diving into a new feature on Discord that allows you to use the in-app camera on your PC, a fantastic update for enhancing your communication experience. Let's get started with how to enable it. First, you'll want to head over to your Windows settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the gear icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Privacy option. This section is crucial for app permissions, especially for your camera and microphone. Now, look for the microphone and camera settings. You'll find two toggles under the section labeled Allow apps to access your camera and Allow apps to access your microphone. Make sure to toggle both of these settings to On. This step is essential because it grants your applications like Discord the permission they need to access your camera and mic. After enabling these, scroll down to locate the Discord app. You might have to search a bit, but it's usually listed under the camera or microphone sections. Once you find it, make sure the toggle next to Discord is turned on as well. This ensures that Discord has full access to your in-app camera functionalities. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps in your Windows settings, you've enabled the in-app camera for Discord on your PC. Now you can enjoy video calls and streams with your friends and community like never before. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment if you found this helpful or if you have any questions. Happy chatting on Discord.